smartphone truly compete with high-end gaming devices? That's exactly what Samsung set out to prove with its latest powerhouse, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And what better way to showcase its capabilities than with a high-stakes Call of Duty mobile tournament? On January 25, Samsung hosted the third #PlayGalaxy Cup in San Francisco, bringing together some of the most skilled mobile gamers and top video game streamers. The event featured a fierce competition between two elite esports teams, Tribe Gaming and Luminosity Gaming. These players didn't just rely on their skills. They were armed with Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds and JBL Quantum One headphones for an immersive audio experience. The energy at the venue was electric. More than 250 fans packed the arena, watching every intense battle unfold on a massive screen at the center. For those who couldn't be there in person, the entire event was streamed live on YouTube and Twitch, giving a global audience a front row seat to the action. But this event wasn't just about competition, it was a statement. Samsung wanted to prove that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just another smartphone. It's a device built for high-performance gaming, and they had the specs to back it up. The Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on Qualcomm's most advanced chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it one of the fastest smartphones on the market. But power isn't just about raw processing speed. Samsung also introduced a 40% larger vapor chamber, which means significantly improved cooling. This ensures that even during long gaming sessions, the device stays cool and maintains peak performance without lag. Call of Duty Mobile is known for pushing hardware to its limits. It's one of the most demanding mobile games, requiring both a powerful processor and excellent graphics optimization. Thanks to the Vulkan optimization and the capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivered a smooth gaming experience with console-level visuals. Every detail, from the realistic environments to the fast-paced action, was displayed with stunning clarity. One of the biggest challenges for mobile gamers is maintaining consistent frame rates during intense gameplay. Lag or overheating can make the difference between victory and defeat. But at this tournament, the Galaxy S25 Ultra performed flawlessly, showing no signs of slowdowns even under the pressure of competitive play. Samsung didn't stop at just showcasing the phone's performance. They also set up a hands-on experience at the venue, allowing fans to try out the Galaxy S25 Ultra for themselves. Attendees got to experience firsthand how smooth the gameplay felt, how responsive the controls were, and just how immersive mobile gaming can be on a device this powerful. This event raised an interesting question. Can smartphones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra replace traditional game consoles? With hardware getting more advanced each year and mobile games becoming more sophisticated, the gap between mobile and console gaming is shrinking. The ability to play high-quality games on a device that fits in your pocket is something that was unimaginable a few years ago. Of course, there are still some differences. Consoles and gaming PCs offer dedicated hardware with larger screens, more powerful GPUs, and physical controllers. Are you eagerly waiting for the iPhone SE 4? The anticipation surrounding Apple's budget-friendly iPhone lineup is at an all-time high, and it's easy to see why. With multiple reports circulating, we're expecting a big leap for this entry-level smartphone. But when will it be released? How much will it cost? And what upgrades are in store? Let's dive into everything we know so far about the iPhone SE 4. Release date. Unlike Apple's regular iPhone models, which follow a predictable annual release schedule, the iPhone SE series has always been a bit unpredictable. But good news for eager fans. Sources suggest that the iPhone SE 4 could make its debut in March 2025. Apple often holds a spring event to unveil its budget phones, and with production of the iPhone SE 4 starting soon, it's likely we'll see it during that time. Although Apple stayed quiet about the device during its iPhone 16 event, insider reports, including those from trusted Apple analysts, hint that March 2025 is the most likely window for the SE 4's arrival. Pricing expectations. So how much will the iPhone SE 4 cost? Expect it to land somewhere in the $450 to $500 range, though there could be a slight price increase. Leaks from reliable sources suggest a price tag closer to $499 to $549, primarily due to a host of rumored upgrades. Apple is likely to raise the price, but with the iPhone SE 4's new features, many fans will find it worth the extra cost. Additionally, Apple's move to use its own cellular modem could also help keep costs down by removing licensing fees paid to Qualcomm. A sleek design and powerful performance. One of the most exciting changes will be the design. The iPhone SE 4 might feature a sleek iPhone 14 style body with a 6.1-inch display and a notch at the top. Leaked images even show the phone side by side with the iPhone 16, giving us a solid idea of what to expect. If these rumors are true, this would be a big step up from the dated design of the previous model. On the inside, the A18 chip is expected to power the device paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which would unlock Apple Intelligence and other advanced features. This means the iPhone SE4 will be more capable than ever. Camera. For years, iPhone SE models have lacked the impressive camera quality seen in flagship devices, but that could change with the iPhone SE4. Rumors suggest a 48-megapixel rear camera, a huge upgrade from the previous model's 12-megapixel lens. The front camera might also see an improvement, going up to 12-megapixel compared to the older 7-megapixel. Battery life. Battery life is another area where the iPhone SE4 will shine. Leaks suggest that the device will come with a 3279 mAh battery, a significant jump from the 2018 mAh battery in the iPhone SE3. This should result in noticeably longer battery life, allowing users to go through the day with less worry about recharging. In fact, some leaks hint that the iPhone SE4 could even adopt a USB-C port for charging, following Apple's trend of switching to USB-C for newer devices. Are you looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that offers great value for money? Well, Samsung's Galaxy A16 5G just got even more affordable. If you've been waiting for the right time to buy a 5G smartphone without stretching your budget, this might be the deal you've been looking for. The Galaxy A16 5G was already one of the most affordable 5G smartphones of 2025, launching at just $199.99. But now, both Amazon and Best Buy are offering a straight $25 discount, bringing the price down to $174.99. What makes this deal even better is that you don't need to trade in an old phone, sign up for a carrier plan, or meet any special conditions. It's a simple, no-strings-attached discount, making it one of the best budget smartphone deals right now. A $25 discount might not seem like a huge amount when compared to flagship smartphones that often get price cuts of $300 or even $500. But when you consider that this phone was already priced competitively, this 13% discount makes a real difference. It pushes the Galaxy A16 5G even further into the category of one of the best low-cost smartphones available today. One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy A16 5G is its display. It features a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. That means you get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling. Many budget-friendly phones still come with LCD screens, so getting a Super AMOLED display at this price point is a great deal. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing social media, the screen quality makes a noticeable difference. The design of the Galaxy A16 5G is simple, yet stylish. It comes in 2 color options, blue-black and light gray. The phone is lightweight, easy to hold, and has a clean look that appeals to users who prefer a minimal design. Battery life is always a major concern for smartphone users, but the Galaxy A16 5G delivers excellent performance in this area. It comes with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which means you can go an entire day or more without needing to charge. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, the battery is built to last. And when you do need to charge, Samsung has included 25-watt fast charging support. While this is the fastest charging speed on the market, it's still much better than the slow charging speeds seen in many budget phones. A quick top-up can give you several hours of usage, which is perfect for those on the go. For photography lovers, the Galaxy S16 5G features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera. While it doesn't come with advanced artificial intelligence-based camera features like Samsung's premium models, it still delivers decent image quality. The camera performs well in good lighting conditions, capturing clear and detailed photos. If you use your phone for everyday photography like snapping pictures of family, food, or travel moments, the Galaxy S16 5G gets the job done. For a phone in this price range, the camera quality is respectable, and it's a solid option for casual users who want to rely